White dude.
Oh, hell no.
This her right here, y'all. The girl that rolled up on us yesterday. Oh, come on, man.
Come sit right here, my man.
This her right here, man. She married to a white dude. They done found her.
Knock your shit out.
And yeah, this is her husband. And they hit me up like, yo, we could go get her. I'm like, nah, bro, no. They said two could play that game. We can find dumbass trolls too. This is a Baron married to a white man. White supremacist ass, bitter bitch trying to get 5 minutes of fame, stalking you. I love myself. Damn, them niggas done sent me her whole shit. Her IG. She cooks cookies and shit. You gonna fuck around and hurt yourself, bitch. Like, nigga, like, it's a lot of people that fuck with me. Yeah, her IG is Sweet Tellus. Sweet Tellus. Sweet Tellas. Sweet Tellus. And she's actually carbonation extinguisher. Oh yeah, her name is Chantel Abbott. Chantel Abbott. She's married to a white dude. Free. She's a cat mama, animal lover, blunt, introvert, sarcastic weirdo. Definitely a weirdo. And hey, turn up, G. Let's go. One box out there, motherfucker. Cat mama. This her and her husband. You better leave me alone, bro. It's people that know you, bro. Like, it's people that love me out there, bro. It's a lot of hating ass motherfuckers, but it's people that love me. But you putting yourself out there for 5 minutes of fame, bro. Now you exposed. They know who you are, yo. Now you exposed. That's what you wanted, stupid ass. This shit gonna backfire on you every fucking time. Cause you minding other people's business, bro. That is her. That's definitely her. I know the lady. I know her face. It's definitely her, my nigga. See, the funny thing about it is when you try to take somebody down, man, you gotta dig 2 graves, bro. Shit is funny, bro. Now you exposed. Yes, Baba G, I was gathering intel for you as well. Her name is Sweet Tellus. Wow, I got the whole scoop on this lady, bro. Yeah, we got her. I'ma throw her out there too. I'ma put her on my IG since she wanna be running up on people. I'ma put her out there since she wants that attention. And whatever happens, happens. It just is what it is, bro. Like, you feel me? So let me throw her up on my IG real quick. It's gonna be on my story if y'all want to see who this lady is. She tried to hide her identity. She want issues. Now I'm gonna make her famous. Here. This is the lady that ran up on me last night. Boom. You want issues? Now you got them. Here. You want attention? Now you got attention, baby. She tried to cover her face up the whole time. Like, we got you. I'm gonna give you some attention. Here you go. This is her address. This is her IG. Think that, oh, I'm married to a white man, so I could do that. I could do this. You know what I'm saying? That's why she felt confident enough to roll up on me like that. She married to a white dude, bro. She a straight weirdo. Call herself the cat lady. It's on my story, bro. I put it on. I don't have a battle. I'm just exposing who was trying to come up on me with a camera and harass me. This is a harasser. I'm exposing a harasser. That's it. I put her ass out there, nigga. Trying to get 5 minutes. You got clout now. Everybody gonna know who you are. You got clout. Wait, to Steven about.
Yeah, just about. Yes.
About. Sound like that.
About to get her ass whipped.
He said about to get ass with.